Hello everyone, welcome back to Road to Ownership. We're here to further your knowledge in real estate. Today our discussion will revolve around the topic, mistakes to avoid when buying your first home. Before we delve into the details, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. The journey of buying your first home can be a minefield of potential mistakes. But with careful planning, these can be avoided. As you embark on your home ownership journey, it's essential to be well informed. Let's dive into the common mistakes to avoid. One of the most common and costly mistakes first-time home buyers make is not doing enough research. It's like embarking on a journey without a roadmap. You wouldn't want to do that, would you? First off, understanding the property market is crucial. It's akin to knowing the terrain of the land you're about to traverse. Is it a buyer's market or a seller's market? Knowing this could mean the difference between getting a good deal or overpaying for a property. Next on the list is understanding mortgage rates. It's like knowing how much fuel you'll need for your journey. A small difference in interest rates can mean thousands of dollars over the course of a mortgage. It's always wise to shop around and compare rates before settling on a mortgage. Finally, the location of the property cannot be overemphasized. It's your destination after all. You wouldn't want to end up in the middle of nowhere, would you? Study the neighborhood. Consider its proximity to schools, workplaces, and amenities. It's also important to consider the potential for growth and development in the area. A report from the National Association of Realtors showed that home buyers who didn't do enough research often felt buyer's remorse and financial strain. In fact, about 20% of these buyers wish they had known more about the financial process involved in buying a home. Remember, knowledge is power. Equip yourself with enough information before making any decisions. Another common pitfall is overlooking your budget, a mistake that can lead to a financial nightmare. Setting a realistic budget and sticking to it is a crucial step when buying your first home. It's like the North Star guiding your ship in the vast ocean of real estate. It helps you navigate and make wise decisions. And more importantly, it keeps you from sinking into the deep waters of financial ruin. Imagine the joy of buying your dream home, only to realize later that you've overstretched your finances. Suddenly, you're juggling bills, struggling to pay the mortgage, and the dream home starts to feel like a burden. It's a harsh reality many first-time buyers face due to poor budget planning. Statistics show that almost a quarter of first-time home buyers end up facing financial difficulties within the first 2 years of their purchase. This is often due to overestimating their financial capabilities or underestimating the costs associated with home ownership. It's a dangerous game to play, and the consequences can be devastating. The golden rule here is simple: don't bite off more than you can chew. If a house is beyond your budget, it's probably not the house for you. There is no shame in buying a home that's within your means. After all, it's more than just a house. It's a place where you'll build memories, a space where you'll grow. Staying within your budget is crucial. It's better to buy a home you can afford than to risk losing it. Skipping the home inspection is a mistake that could cost you dearly in the long run. Now you might be thinking, why bother with a home inspection? It's just another expense, right? Well, consider this. A home inspection is a health check for your potential new home. It's your chance to uncover any hidden issues that may not be immediately obvious. A thorough home inspection can reveal structural problems, plumbing or electrical issues, and potential repairs that may be needed. These are things that can significantly impact your life and wallet down the line. For instance, a leaking roof might seem like a minor inconvenience, but left unchecked, it could lead to substantial water damage and a hefty repair bill. Let's put this into perspective with some statistics. According to Home Advisor, the average cost of home repairs for new homeowners who skip the inspection amounts to around $3,000 in their first year. That's a lot of money that could have been saved with a timely home inspection. Remember, the goal of a home inspection isn't to nitpick every little cosmetic issue. It's to ensure that you're making a sound investment and that you won't be blindsided by serious problems after you've signed on the dotted line. Never underestimate the importance of a home inspection. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind. So before you take that leap into home ownership, make sure you have all the facts. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Lastly, one of the most overlooked mistakes is ignoring long-term costs associated with home ownership. It's easy to get wrapped up in the excitement of buying your first home and only focus on the initial purchase price. However, it's crucial to consider all the additional expenses that come with owning a home. First off, let's talk about maintenance. From minor repairs to major upgrades, maintaining a home can cost an average of 1 to 4% of the home's value annually. That means if your home is worth $250,000, you could be spending anywhere from $2,500 to $10,000 each year on upkeep alone. Next up is insurance. Homeowners insurance is a non-negotiable, and the average annual premium in the United States is around $1,200. But remember, this can vary greatly depending on your location and the specifics of your home. Finally, there are property taxes. These taxes are typically based on the assessed value of your home and can add up quickly. On average, American homeowners pay about $2,300 annually in property taxes. By considering these costs from the get-go, you'll have a much clearer picture of what home ownership truly costs. You'll also be better equipped to make a financially sound decision when it comes to purchasing your first home. Keep in mind, owning a home is a long-term commitment. Be prepared for all the costs involved, not just the purchase price. Avoiding these mistakes can help make your first-time home buying experience a successful one. Remember, thorough research, careful budgeting, not skipping the home inspection, and considering long-term costs are key to a smooth home ownership journey. These aren't just steps, but pillars of a well-planned home buying process. They ensure you're not just buying a house, but a home that's truly right for you. One last thing. If there is a topic you would like us to cover, please add it in the comment section. Also take a moment to share and like this video. Thank you.